चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
India Alliance leaders have reached the Election Commission. In fact, remember, without even providing any evidence, a charge has now been levelled that district magistrates are being dialed by Union Minister Amit Shah. In fact, the Election Commission has now responded by saying if there is any evidence, the Congress party should furnish that. Let me also bring in my colleague Riyanka, who's joining us from outside the Election Commission office. Indian leaders now visiting the Election Commission. Have they said anything so far with regards to what evidence do they have? Riyanka, if you can hear me, while this allegation has been levelled by the India Alliance members, have they furnished any proof?
Right, Shravan, as of now, we do not have any detail on whether they have given out any evidence or not, but we know that there are leaders who have gone ahead and they are conducting the meeting with the bench of the Election Commission here at this particular place of the ECI, and we know that they are in fact going ahead and discussing several issues that they had relating to how the process needs to be followed during the counting. We know the 4th of June there is going to be the counting and there is going to be the declaration of who wins this poll battle. But for now, that the Indy bloc leaders are trying to make sure that they are, of course, speaking to the ECI in terms of the following of the norms, and they're also following the, all the processes, all the procedures that are needed in order for the counting day. So these are the current details that we can share with us as of now. In fact, the opposition parties have also asked their agents to monitor the process closely on the counting day and ensure that Form 17C, which contains the number of votes recorded at each polling station, is also shared with them. So these are the details that we have for now. The meeting is still on. In fact, there is going to be a press briefing as the meeting ends. So we will get you more details at that point as well. Over to you.